Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing both devices for a smooth connection. Charge your Beat Solo 4 to at least 50% before pairing. This avoids interruptions during setup and firmware checks. On your MacBook Air, open System Settings and navigate to Bluetooth within the Control Center. Keep the headphones within 3 meters of the Mac while pairing for a solid signal. Finally, put your Beat Solo 4 into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds. With the headphones in pairing mode, return to Bluetooth on your Mac. Wait for Beat Solo 4 to appear in the Devices list and then click Connect to pair. If a pairing request appears, accept it and allow audio access immediately. After the connection, open Sound Settings and choose Beat Solo 4 as the output device to route audio correctly. Play a short audio file or video to verify playback. Keep both devices awake during this test to confirm a reliable connection. If Bluetooth is unreliable, consider a wired solution or troubleshooting steps. Use a USB-C audio cable or a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter to connect directly if your Mac or headphones support wired audio. To reset your Beat Solo 4, press and hold the power button and volume down together for 10 seconds, then retry pairing. If you still encounter issues, remove Beat Solo 4 from your Mac Bluetooth devices list and restart your MacBook Air before attempting to pair again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.